Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 25% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs £1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 25% discount. Here's how you can do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, £1,357, into your calculator, press the multiply button, and multiply by 75. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 75? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 25% discount means you are paying 25% less than the original price. So, if you take 25% away from 100%, you are left with 75%. In other words, paying 75% of the original price means you are saving 25%. So, by multiplying the original price by 75 and then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 75% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after a 25% off is £1,017.75. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at £2,450. So let's enter that into our calculator. Press the multiply button. Multiply it by 75, then press the percentage button. So after a 25% off, the final price comes out to be £1,837.50. This quick method saves you time, but it ensures accuracy. And there you have it folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 25% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.